So I just wanted to let you know about a new class that I've just released over on Skillshare. Now this is aimed at somebody who is, say, a complete beginner, or pretty much anybody that's looking to improve their basic drawing skills. The class starts with a rundown of the different types of materials that we're going to be using. But don't worry, you don't need too much stuff for this, as we want to keep things as basic as possible. The initial drawing can be a struggle to most people to start with, so what I'll do is show you a system that you can use that even as a complete beginner will allow you to get a highly accurate likeness. I've chosen a relatively simple subject for this, and this doesn't involve any complicated techniques, and in fact the picture is what I will class more as a high contrast sketch. Shading is initially used to create an underdrawing which gives the picture shape and form. You'll then see how you can use layers of pencil to build rich dark tones, giving us that strong contrast that we want. This is particularly useful when it comes to giving something like an eye that glassy appearance. You'll also learn how to use a pencil to give the appearance of texture on the beak, as well as creating the illusion of feathers. So I've tried to make this as simple as possible, and it isn't massively complicated. So if this is something that you fancy having a go at, then why not just click on the link in the description below and I'll see you over on Skillshare.